What if Samsung took the S25 Ultra, fixed the stuff everybody complained about, and then secretly leveled it up in ways nobody asked for, but everyone wanted? That's basically the Galaxy S26 Ultra. At first glance, it looks kind of familiar, almost too familiar. But once you look closer, Samsung changed way more than you'd expect. Let's start with design. The S26 Ultra is a little rounder this year, but still keeps that sharp, note-style personality. And thank God they softened those painful edges from the S25 Ultra. That phone felt like holding a stainless steel credit card. The camera area, cleaned up, very Z Fold 7 vibes. Simple, smooth, intentional. The only problem? Yeah, it wobbles on the desk like it's trying to get your attention. But honestly, almost every premium phone does that now. Here's the part that surprised me. The whole thing is slimmer and lighter. It doesn't sound like a big deal on paper, but in the hand, huge difference. And when you put it next to the iPhone 17 Pro Max, which is thicker and nearly 20 grams heavier, the S26 Ultra suddenly feels like the more comfortable pick. Now, let's talk cameras, because this is where Samsung actually did real work. The setup looks the same as the S25 Ultra, but it's not. Both the main camera and the 5x telephoto got larger apertures. The main lens jumps from f/1.7 to f/1.4, which means around 40% more light. That's huge. Low light shots get brighter and sharper. Natural background blur looks better. Samsung also added its new APV video codec, their answer to ProRes. Better editing flexibility, smaller files, and more control. Samsung added a new AI privacy mode that basically narrows your viewing angle. So if someone's shoulder surfing next to you on the bus, they're not seeing anything. It can auto-activate in public, or you can toggle it manually. And honestly, this should have been a thing years ago. They also jumped to the new M14 panel with COE tech, meaning better efficiency, richer colors, and a longer panel lifespan. Battery size stays the same, but charging finally got the glow up everyone's been begging for. Wired jumps to 60 watts, wireless jumps to 25 watts. These are real upgrades you'll feel when you're at 17% and about to walk out the door. And get this, Samsung added built-in magnets. Yeah, real MagSafe style magnets inside the phone. No more bulky magnetic cases just to snap on chargers. RAM and storage options stay the same, but the RAM itself is faster, around 26% faster. You'll notice it in quicker night shots, smoother lens switching, better multitasking, and an overall snappier vibe. Then there's the big one, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. No Exynos games this time. Everyone gets the same chip. It's stronger, more efficient, and even beats Apple's A19 Pro on paper. And with Samsung giving 7 years of updates, this chip actually matters long-term. The S26 Ultra launches with One UI 8.5, and it's a bigger jump than 8.0. Cleaner layout, smoother animations, smarter spacing, everything just feels more refined. So what do you think? Did Samsung finally deliver the Ultra we wanted? Or is this another looks new but feels the same upgrade? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with all the latest tech news. If you want to check out Samsung's first trifold and its wild features, click on this.